Right, welcome back. Just thought I'd have a quick look at the billy goat. Has been started in just over a year. I think it's 13 months. It was Easter 2019 when I've done the last video. Yeah, it's been pushed in and out. We've cut the grass, but I haven't started it, and it was off or hadn't been run for several years before that. If you watch the first video on this, like I say, it's just over a year old, about 30 months old, the video. That'll tell you the history of it a bit more. But if you watch the May update video, you'll know what's happening with it. So I thought I'll give it a go until it starts. I've just looked in the tank, and the petrol was sort of halfway on the pipe, so I've just topped up a little bit more to give it a chance. It did have a carb that was leaking on it, and we haven't done nothing with that, so I just drained the petrol out. And that's what I'm going to do now, is turn the petrol on, put the choke on, and put it over a few, obviously the petrol will get through, and then just see if it runs, and I'll just turn the petrol off and run it out of petrol, and then I'll show you around it a bit more, some of the bits I've been looking at on it, you know. Give it a few seconds just to let some petrol get through, hopefully. Also, it's just been raining as well, so everything's wet. Takes a bit of pulling over because of the weight of the fan on it. I honestly didn't think that'd go like that, and even when I pulled it, I thought I'd just pull it over slowly, and that fires straight up, just as it just sort of run out of cord. Now, so that's why Honda got a good name for engine starting. Obviously, that's an old Honda. I wouldn't say that about new Hondas. I wouldn't say they've got the reliability as the old ones. Obviously, it's burning some crap off of it. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. I bet it won't start so easy now. Put the petrol on again. Give it a few seconds. That's all I've done. You see what I've done. I honestly haven't touched it for over a year. It's burning some crap off. There's no choke as well, because obviously it's warmed itself up. Well, what do you say? Yeah, good old engine on that, isn't it? It's a bit rattly, a bit noisy, but I don't know if that's the fan making the noise or whatever. Like I say, it's been standing for, oh, I think it was about 10 years, and then we run it on the other video, and it hasn't been run since the other video. But we'll have a look around it, and I'll show you some bits what obviously I'm going to use and the condition of it. So it's sort of starting to warm up. It's burning some of the crap off the top of the engine. It literally has been standing underneath that like holly tree thing, a holly tree in it, for a year, and I just pull it out, cut the grass around it, and yeah. I don't know how we're going to see this. I can't really see the screen because the sun's on it. I'll try to cover it up a bit. But the bushes are tore out on the axle. I don't know. I don't think you're going to be able to see it from, so I can lift it up a bit. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. They're well and truly tore out, but I can replace them. That's not a problem. The gearbox I tested when we done it last year, so I know that's fine. Had a good look at that when that's off. The only other thing, you're still smoking. The only other thing I haven't really had a look at yet is the fan and how the fan's connected to it. If it's on a straight shaft or it's on a tapered shaft. Or haven't looked at it at all. All I done is took that casing off the axle. But really, you need to watch the other video as well. I think if you're interested in if you're interested in the billy goat, starting to spit of rain again. A lot of times I'm just dodging in and out between showers, and it's sort of nice nobody's out here, so I thought we'd have a quick look at it. But I can't believe how well that bloody thing starts, honestly. Yeah, I mean, you'll be even more amazed if you watch the first video on this. Like I say, it's about 13, it was Easter 2019, so it's the end of April last year, and obviously now it's nearly the end of May 2020. The tyres are knackered. I did look, I didn't realise that them tyres are inflatable, but they are. Obviously they're flat. I just thought they were solid tyres. But yeah, and obviously that's the lift fan, what's left of it. Also got the trolley and the wheels on the trolley. I don't know what they're. When they're flat. But yeah, so we've got them wheels as well. That weighs nearly as much as the bloody billy goat. But then, it's a quick little video. Nothing exciting, but you can see the engine work. Yeah, the engine runs. It's got a diff in the axle. I'm not too sure if that's a good idea or not. You can see where that bearing's pulled right out. Look. It's all shagged in there. It needs rebuilding, but that's not a problem. We can do that. Yeah, so anyway, if you like this sort of stuff, thumbs up, all the usual sort of stuff. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell. We're nearly at that magic 1,000, what would be great. I'll appreciate it. Yeah, right, take it easy, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.
Bye. Bye.